Hello learners. In this video, we will be making a responsive learning app using Bootstrap components and a bit of JavaScript. I will explain it step by step and you will be able to make this app by the end of this video. Let's get started. I have created a folder that contains 3 files, one each for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We also have a file which has a list of questions for our website. In this video, we will be using Bootstrap. To use Bootstrap, we simply need to paste the import CSS and JS code from getbootstrap.com to our index.html file. After we have pasted the starter code, now we can use any component that is offered by Bootstrap. First, we need a navigation bar for our website. To use Bootstrap component, simply we need to copy the code of the component and paste it in our HTML code. Our navbar title is not visible because it is also in black color. So, we need to change the color of the text inside our navbar. Second thing which we need in our navbar is toggle button for bright and dark mode, for which we will be using Font Awesome icons. To use Font Awesome icons, you need to create your free account in fontawesome.com. After that, you will get a JavaScript code CDN. You need to paste that code CDN inside your head section of your HTML code. Now, you are good to use Font Awesome icons. We will be using 2 icons, one for toggle off and second for toggle on. Navigation bar is complete. Now we need to add other Bootstrap component for questions and answers. The component we will be using is called accordion. As we have discussed earlier, to use any component, we simply need to copy the code associated with it and paste it inside our HTML code. Now, we are simply updating the text of the accordion with the questions and answers for the learning app. Similar, for all other questions and answers we have updated all the accordions. Now, let's proceed to the JavaScript part. Before writing JavaScript logic, I would like to explain you something. You can see in our navigation bar we have multiple classes and attributes for the nav tag. These classes and attributes have some built-in CSS written, which means whenever we will add some classes to our component or remove it, it will affect the styling of the component. For example, as you can see, if in one of our font awesome icon if we add a class dnone, which means display none, it will make our icon disappear. Similarly, if we paste this attribute database theme is equal to dark from our navbar to our accordion, it will turn our accordion theme to dark mode. To write our JavaScript code, we are going to use this same logic. As our first step, we will store all the HTML components. Basically, we need three things. First, the ID of toggle off icon. Second, the ID of toggle on icon. Third, body of our HTML. Now, we will writing code for our first function, which will get executed when toggle off icon will be clicked. As you can see what we are doing, as toggle off icon will be clicked, database theme attribute will be added and set to dark in our body tag. Followed by dnone class name will be added to toggle off icon, which will make it invisible. Followed by dnone class name will be removed from the toggle on icon, which we have just added. And vice versa. And done. That's all in this video. I hope I was able to explain you all the concepts used in this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification. If possible, share with your friends and also comment your suggestions. Thanks for watching till the end. Bye.